Here, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MINE. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I have to admit, this one would have totally made me look foolish if I had done a video on it yesterday. Just being honest, if I had done a video, I would have thought that, and I would have noted that, don't be surprised to see a pullback coming today. That would have been based off the type of candle that was formed on Thursday. And I think any chartist, if they're being honest with you, would have probably agreed with me based on the candlestick formation. But needless to say, myself and probably the majority of other chartists would have been wrong on that, as today was not a pullback day. It was another green day and closed highest than it's ever closed in a very long time. So I also wanted to say that just because I'll be up front. Chart has me a bit confused right now, and it's definitely putting itself into the territory of one of these that is definitely the exception and not the rule. Another example of that is just simply being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically 1 week straight, literally, of just green day after green day. No profit taken. I guess I shouldn't be totally shocked because you can see here another period of green, green, green. But this day has been, you can see there's a couple little small candles, but this has been nice solid green bars. So I want to kind of just explain two possible things here that are going on as far as my opinion. All I can really say is I don't know. We'll have to see a couple more days before I can make up my mind. But there's one of two things going on here. The first one is there is a pullback coming, and today's day was just kind of a little blip on the radar, maybe a little last gasp by the bulls, and now you'll start to see it maybe level out. And when I say pullback, I'm not saying reversal. Remember, those are two totally different things. This chart has had many pullbacks before. One right here proved to be healthy. One right here proved to be healthy. So again, when I say pullback, I'm not saying reversal. Totally different things. So like I said, either there is a pullback that's going to be coming, and this was just the last gasp, or this chart is just a total monster, and it's going to deny this pullback candle and just keep on chugging forward. So it's one of those two things, but today's candle, like I said, really threw me off because it's not the normal flow of things, but it's one of those two things. But again, I just want to reiterate, a pullback is not the same thing as reversal. This chart has had pullbacks before, so if this is kind of the last gasp before there is a pullback, just remember, look back at this history. It's not the first time this one has pulled back. In terms of resistance levels, pretty darn straightforward. Right up there at 0071 is the key level of resistance, and then support wise, one of the newer ones that has been formed, and one you'll want to see if it can hold on a pullback if it happens, is right there at 0049. But then the must hold level of support is definitely going to be down here where this original breakout level held. You can see lots of history around here acting as resistance, and that level's at 0038. So these are the two main levels of support, and then the resistance up there at 0071. So hopefully that helps out, but we'll just have to kind of sit back, grab some popcorn, and see what happens. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our free newsletter up there. When you do that, you'll be sent a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our educational course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching spread across multiple videos. It's been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials. So I'd encourage you to make an investment into your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was MINE. Thanks for listening, and have a great Labor Day. I almost forgot which one it was. Have a good one.